Meaning of fractionally.
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 Fractionally. Fractionally refers to a small or tiny portion of a whole. It can also refer to something that is divided into parts that are not equal. The term may be used in various contexts, such as in mathematics, chemistry, physics, and finance. In some cases, it may imply a relative or proportional measurement of quantity or value. For instance, a stock price that rises fractionally may represent a small increase, but it still indicates growth. Similarly, an experimental result that shows a fractional change may suggest a slight deviation from normal or expected values.